Hello everyone, welcome to Happy Little Learners Kannada. Today we are learning fruits and vegetables in Kannada. ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಹಣ್ಣು ಮತ್ತು ತರಕಾರಿಗಳ ಹೆಸರುಗಳನ್ನು ಕಲಿಯೋಣ. Come, let's get started. ಮಾವು. ಮಾವು is mango. Mango is called ಮಾವು in Kannada. You can also repeat with me. ಮಾವು. ಮಾವು. ಬಾಳೆಹಣ್ಣು. ಬಾಳೆಹಣ್ಣು is banana. Banana is called ಬಾಳೆಹಣ್ಣು. ಬಾಳೆಹಣ್ಣು. You can also repeat with me. ಬಾಳೆಹಣ್ಣು. ಬಾಳೆಹಣ್ಣು. ಸೇಬು. ಸೇಬು is apple. Apple is called in Kannada ಸೇಬು. 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 Easy, right? Repeat with me. ಸೇಬು. Drakshi. Drakshi is grapes. Grapes is called in Kannada is Drakshi. Repeat with me. Drakshi. Very good. Kittale. Orange. Orange is called in Kannada is Kittale. Kittale. You can also repeat with me. Kittale. Kittale. Very good. Next, ಪರಂಗಿ. ಪರಂಗಿ ಹಣ್ಣು is called in Kannada. Papaya is called in Kannada ಪರಂಗಿ ಹಣ್ಣು. ಪರಂಗಿ ಹಣ್ಣು papaya. ಕಲ್ಲಂಗಡಿ. ಕಲ್ಲಂಗಡಿ is watermelon. Watermelon is called in Kannada is ಕಲ್ಲಂಗಡಿ. You can also repeat with me. ಕಲ್ಲಂಗಡಿ. Try again. ಕಲ್ಲಂಗಡಿ. Ananas. Ananas is pineapple. Pineapple fruit called in Kannada is ananas. Ananas. You can also repeat with me. Ananas. Nimbe. Nimbe is lemon. Lemon is called in Kannada is nimbe. Nimbe. It's easy. Nimbe. Repeat with me. Nimbe. Very good. Strawberry. Strawberry in Kannada also we call it as strawberry. Strawberry. It's easy to repeat also. Strawberry. Tomato. Tomato is also called tomato in Kannada. In speaking words we call it as tomato only. So you can learn it as tomato. Kannada is also tomato. Alugade. Alugade is potato. Potato in Kannada called alugade. You can repeat with me. Alugade. Yes, alugade. Okay. Eerulli. Eerulli is onion. Onion is called eerulli. Onion is eerulli in Kannada. Eerulli. Bellulli. Bellulli is garlic. Garlic is called in Kannada Bellulli. Try repeating with me. Bellulli. Bellulli. Okay. Carrot. Carrot in Kannada is carrot. We call it as carrot only in Kannada. In Kannada also there is another word is gajjari, but in speaking word we call it as carrot. Menasinakayi. Menasinakayi is chili. Chili is menasinakayi. Chili is menasinakayi. Menasinakayi. Okay. Hagalakayi. Hagalakayi is called bitter gourd. Bitter gourd is in Kannada is hagalakayi. Try repeating. Hagalakayi. Badanekayi. Badanekayi is brinjal or eggplant. Eggplant or brinjal in Kannada called badanekayi. 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 Very good. Next, bendekayi. Lady's finger or okra is called bendekayi in Kannada. Bendekayi. Bendekayi. Very good. Next, kumbalakayi. Kumbalakayi is pumpkin. Pumpkin is called kumbalakayi in Kannada. Try repeating with me, kumbalakayi. Now that we learned 20 words of fruits and vegetables, let's try revisioning them. Fruits: ಮಾವು ಮ್ಯಾಂಗೋ, ಬಾಳೆಹಣ್ಣು ಬನಾನಾ, ಸೇಬು ಆ್ಯಪಲ್, ದ್ರಾಕ್ಷಿ ಗ್ರೇಪ್ಸ್, ಕಿತ್ತಳೆ ಆರೆಂಜ್, ಪರಂಗಿ ಹಣ್ಣು ಈಸ್ ಪಪ್ಪಾಯ, ಕಲ್ಲಂಗಡಿ ವಾಟರ್ಮೆಲನ್, ಅನಾನಸ್ ಪೈನಾಪಲ್, ನಿಂಬೆ ಲೆಮನ್, ಸ್ಟ್ರಾಬೆರಿ. ವೆಜಿಟೇಬಲ್ಸ್: ಟೊಮ್ಯಾಟೊ, ಆಲೂಗಡ್ಡೆ ಪೊಟ್ಯಾಟೊ, ಬೆಳ್ಳುಳ್ಳಿ ಗಾರ್ಲಿಕ್, ಕ್ಯಾರೆಟ್, ಮೆಣಸಿನಕಾಯಿ ಚಿಲ್ಲಿ. Thank you for watching a video. Please do like, subscribe and share. Please do support. For more videos, please do subscribe our channel. Thank you.